morning, you guys. I'm about to make a double shot today. I'm so excited. Gosh, that's gross. I'm sorry. So I'm just making a quick little breakfast today. I'm gonna have something small just because I'm gonna go and do a workout in a little bit. So I'm just gonna fry up an egg. I added some pink salt and some black pepper, and I'm cooking it in some avocado oil just to get some healthy fat. I'm gonna also toast up a piece of sourdough bread. This one is just wheat. So for breakfast today, ignore my messy looking plate, but I did an avocado toast topped with fried egg, just one, and then 2 pieces of bacon because I just love bacon. And listen, don't judge me. Everything is okay in moderation, and I don't eat this every day. But today, this is what my body was craving, and I always listen to my body. So I'm gonna get my carbs, my protein, my healthy fats in, and then I'll probably hit the gym in about an hour or so after I let my food kind of digest a little bit. Getting those stretches in. So I made crystal water. That's what I was sipping on earlier underneath the new moon in Pisces. But now I was doing some editing and stuff. I'm really craving these. This was a new try for me this past week, and oh my god, I love fig bars. So these ones caught my eye because, where did I read it? On the back. Look at this. Dairy-free, nut-free, vegan. There's 2 of them in here, by the way. Oh my god. And honestly, these taste way better than the Fig Newtons that I used to have growing up. Something about it, it's just, perfectly delicious. I am finally gonna make my way to the gym. I was just packing up some Poshmark orders, which I'm gonna literally run to the post office before my pre-workout kicks in too quickly to drop those off. I already filled up my blender bottle with a little bit of ice water, and I always take pre-workout. You don't need supplements. They're definitely a bonus, which I tell you guys, you don't need supplements to be healthy and fit. But for me, it's just that extra thing that just makes me feel good. It's that little bit of motivation I need to feel my best and perform my best in the gym, especially with pre-workout. So that's why I take it. Oh shit. And you guys know I use this all of the time. It's like barely in there. It's the Alani Nu in Hawaiian shaved ice, but I have a backup, so I'm gonna do a full scoop. Oh shit, might as well just finish it off. It tastes so good. And then I'll add some water. Okay, there goes all my ice. So I definitely want to do a good ab workout today, and I want to do some cardio today, and probably throw in some booty bands because I haven't done booty bands in a minute. So abs, a little bit of booty bands. I think that'll be the plan for today. But this is like my body today. Not that bloated. I actually feel pretty nice. Yes, I'm wearing the same freaking workout set that I wear all the time. A lot of my workout gear is actually dirty, so I need to do laundry at some point. But stay tuned because later on, maybe this week or next week, I'm gonna film a Fabletics workout haul. I just have the items now, but they're not released yet, so I have to wait. So stay tuned because there's some really bomb pieces that I'm excited to share, and I can't wait to wear them. I just can't until March 1st.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Lunch today is actually meal prep from yesterday. Looks crazy but tastes amazing. So I have some brown rice, I did some chicken which I seasoned with honey mustard, and then I have some carrots and green beans, and because I just feel like I really need carbs right now, I toasted up a piece of sourdough bread with a little bit of Earth Balance, which is a vegan butter. So I've got my protein, my veggies, and then my carbs in here. So that's what I'm gonna have for my big lunch. I feel like I eat a bigger meal in the middle of the day. So I guess I'll be back for sure to show you guys what I'm having for dinner later on tonight. So yeah, don't judge the look of it. I promise you it tastes delicious.
Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
Definitely in the mood for some tuna, which I've been eating a lot recently. So I got mine from Trader Joe's, and this one is the albacore in water. Love it so much because I don't have to use a can opener with it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna want to do this with bread or if I want to have it by itself. We'll see what we're feeling like.
It's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Get the feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
So for my dinner tonight, oftentimes I will have random combinations of things. So for my veggies, because I don't feel like I've had enough greens today, I did this little cabbage and kale mixed with like carrot and pumpkin seed side salad. And then I did a tuna salad as well, which I added purple onions and a dairy-free mayo. So I'm probably gonna mix everything together, but I thought it looked a little bit more appetizing if I try to make it look cute for you guys. But keep in mind that I do intermittent fasting, so my first meal is pretty late in the day, and I personally prefer to eat smaller portions of things as well throughout my day. So I know that this is gonna be the perfect way to end my night with veggies and some protein because I had quite a bit of carbs earlier on. Which were fantastic. I got to burn through those during my workout. So I like simple meals, fast meals, and meals that are very high in nutrients. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. I will definitely see you guys with a new video very soon.